Hey guys, today's I will introduce the two of the screen protector I have here today. This one is for Spigen's, the company called the Spigen's, the Align Master. Another one on the left is Easy Fit, same things from the Spigen's. The reason why I like this Spigen, as you see, it has like a frame outside. So you're not gonna miss the putting on the screen protector onto the phones. Let's say for my case it's iPhones. Let's say like a Line Master this is the one you put it on as you see on the iPhones. After I put it on this orange cover, this is a cleanup, and in the middle, take this one. Take out the bottom, look at the white portion out, put it onto the iPhones. I thought this is an easy way to put it in a slide, so you don't get missed on toward the right or toward the left, and a little bit like on the top, a little bit at the bottom. It's much easier to put it on. Good thing is it comes like a 2-pack that even though if you missed it, you have like one of like a spare one, you can use it later times. Let's take a look at the Align Master. It comes with the instructions, come with the 2 wipes and also the scraper. This is a require you take your bubble out from your screens. And also it has the cross that you can clean up. And this one is for the easy fit. So it has had like an instruction, it's like a dust removal sticker, 2 of them, and the same, like the wipes. It has a different type of scraper, better one. So this looks like this is much better than the Align Master ones. Also, you see in the bottom on Align Master use, this is the one which is already attached, screen protectors attached to. So all you have to do is, when you look at this instruction, all you do is once you clean up, you either sticker and take out all the dust out, or take out the bottom one and attach to your iPhones. Then once you put it on the top cover and press for 30 seconds in the middle, push it and take out this is when I take it off. Yeah, once you take it out and flip it and put it on your iPhones. Comparing to the Align Master, the Easy Fit's much easier because you don't even touch the glass screen protectors. It's all attached to this plastic cover. So once you plus in the middle, you can take it off the lid, and that's all about it. So I support Easy Fit is much easier than Align Masters. So this is my review for the glass screen protectors.